Alright, let's dive into the mysterious world of the dark web. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden in the depths of the internet, away from the prying eyes of most people? Today, we're going to uncover some of these secrets using OSINT techniques. OSINT, or Open Source Intelligence, is a powerful tool that can help us unravel mysteries and discover hidden information on the dark web. Navigating the dark web comes with its own set of challenges. From illegal activities to the cloak of anonymity and encryption, it's not easy to navigate this shadowy realm. But with OSINT, we can overcome these obstacles and delve deeper into the dark web. So, how do we do it? By using various OSINT techniques such as leveraging search engines, scouring social media platforms, and utilizing specialized tools, we can gather valuable information from the dark web. These techniques allow us to piece together the puzzle and uncover hidden truths. Now, let's talk about a key moment where OSINT techniques were instrumental in unveiling secrets on the dark web. Imagine a scenario where a cybersecurity expert used OSINT to track down a notorious cybercriminal, leading to their arrest and the dismantling of a criminal network. This is the power of OSINT in action. In conclusion, OSINT is a game changer when it comes to uncovering dark web secrets. By using ethical means and responsible practices, we can shine a light on the hidden corners of the internet and make cyberspace a safer place for all. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to explore more about OSINT techniques, share your thoughts on the dark web, and subscribe to our channel for future videos on cybersecurity and online privacy. Together, we can navigate the digital world with knowledge and awareness. Let's continue to uncover the secrets of the dark web and protect our online identities. Thank you for watching.